How you doing, everybody? Thought I'd take a quick minute and talk about something. Do you like LS3 heads? Do you need LS3 heads? Do you want LS3 heads? Well, we have LS3 heads. We have our LS3 370 and 390 heads, CNC'd intakes. We got some CNC work on the combustion chamber, and we got some CNC work on the exhaust ports. Those are our CNC'd MVT 370 head. Now, we have the 370 and we have the 390. Why do we call it the 370 head? Well, it simply flows 376 CFM at 650 lift, so we called it our MVT 370 series head. Now the 390 series head, can be done, we typically would do that in like a 6-bolt head, because that's more of a higher performing head, and it flows 397 CFM at 800 thousandths lift. And then when we bump it up and we go to a good like Ferrea 6000 series valve, on that 390 head, we've achieved 406 CFM up to 850 thousandths lift. And so, that's more of our performing head. That's actually the head that we're going to run on Nicole's first engine. That'll be that 850 horse, package and naturally aspirated. But on the MVT 370 head, you've seen dyno stuff on the 4-bolt and the 6-bolt. Remember, we did that test on the 4-bolt head. We took an engine with just under 10,000 miles on it, and we bolted our heads and camshaft package on. We did all that dyno testing, tried different intakes out, and all that kind of stuff, if you remember. And so with that, we know we can gain 200 horsepower comfortably and easily. And that was nothing done to that engine's bottom end whatsoever, because that was an engine with just under 10,000 miles on it. And it was a 376 cubic inch. So we know what the heads can do naturally aspirated. You can make 600 horsepower comfortably with that all day long. You can make over 600 naturally aspirated with it as well. You put it on a little bit bigger cubic inch engine, all right, change the design a little bit, and this head will give you the numbers you want for an engine. So naturally aspirated, great. Now we know, if you've watched and seen any of the video posting or any of the Facebook posts about what we just did with that ProCharger LSX 376, we took the same port work that we did on our 4-bolt head, we put it on a 6-bolt head. Same valve job that we would do. We actually did the valve job like we did on our 390 head. Okay. And we just basically said, okay, let's see what we can do. So now we know what we can do. Just literally take in a 370 head. All right. Change the valve angle on it just a little bit. And we take that head and we make it our 6-bolt head. And that head there can sustain 1,000 horsepower comfortably. All right, and we did it, and we made over 1,000 horsepower, and we can make even more power with it. Actually, we're not really done with that, because we know the goal was 1,000, and we made over 1,000, and so we're happy with that. And so we know, we can comfortably tell you now that these MVT 370 heads or MVT 390 heads, if you want to make power, we can give you power with the cylinder head. So you need heads, give us a call. We have 10 of these all machined, ready to be assembled. We got another 10 sitting. These are the 823 casting 4-bolt heads that we have sitting around here. Been waiting to get some of our 6-bolt stuff in and whatnot to have an inventory, but we just do them as we go lately. And so yes, we can CNC your 6-bolt head. We can CNC your 4-bolt head. That's not a problem. We just throw them on the CNC and do them. So that's what I have to say today. I just wanted you to see the cylinder heads. If you need LS3 heads, give us a call. If you need LS7 heads, you want custom heads done, give us a call. If you watched any of our testing, you can see the results of our LS3 packages with both naturally aspirated and supercharged. So that's about it. Talk to you later, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.